My name is Mitchell John, and I'm a virtual architect. Today, we will be talking about how to set up audio preferences ranging from voice over IP to integrating audio conference. Part 2. Now, creating your own universal voice integration using your own toll-free conference call line. This process does require a few additional steps. However, if you are in the possession of your own toll-free conference call line, you will be able to bridge/integrate this line into your Adobe Connect room, so all of your participants will have the option of listening either via Adobe Connect or dialing into your conference call line. First step is to go to My Audio Providers and to create a new provider using that toll-free conference call line that you are in possession of. We will give it a name. We will enable it. We will enter in our number by adding a number. You can label this number whatever you may like. This will provide the participants a little pop-up, a radio pop-up that gives them these detailed information. So I will provide it right now. Dial in line, and I will make up my own number. 1. And then I will also be providing them the passcode as well. Now, upon entry, the participants, when the audio is bridged, they will receive a pop-up or a radio box that does show them the dial-in line as well as the passcode information. A few more steps to go. We will need to add dial-in steps. So let's add our steps. Now, this is basically we are giving Adobe Connect, the platform, instructions on what to do when dialing out to this conference call line. So we'll once again enter in the conference call line that it needs to dial. Make sure I put in the toll-free number. We will add a step to let Adobe Connect know that in case there is a pause or in case this line is automated, to give it a pause to let the automation speak. This is done in milliseconds, so we will do 3,000 milliseconds, which is the equivalent of 3 seconds. And we will add a final step where Adobe Connect, the platform, will enter in a number to be recognized to enter the room. This is called a DTMF. It's a dual tone multi-frequency signal. It's a telecommunications signaling system using sort of the voice frequency band over telephone lines between telephone equipment and other communication devices. So it's basically Adobe Connect platform entering in the passcode. I believe the passcode 1234567 in pound. At which point we are done and we can hit save. There's one additional step you must take. Much like the process before with meeting 1, you're going to need to create a profile. We will create this profile. We will select that provider that we just created. And we will give it a name. Mitchell's demo for toll-free. And we will hit save. We will go back to our meeting and we will go and find that line that I have just created. Mitchell's demo for toll-free. So at this point, the audio line from your free toll-free line has now been integrated into your room. Now that you've set up your audio conference line with your room, let's actually go into the room itself and establish that audio. Much like where you would find the microphone for voice over IP, there's a pull-down tab next to the audio button. You would first want to go into your settings just to make sure that you have the proper one selected. As you can see here, I have the proper one selected. No microphones have been disabled. And we're actually going to use the phone and make sure you broadcast that telephony audio. That way those participants who are listening via Adobe Connect can actually hear that integrated audio. Also, you may or may not want to provide the dial-in details to the participants if you have not done so before. And you are also given two options on when you start your meeting room or your seminar room or your virtual classroom, whether to show the audio conference dialog when the room is opened or to start the audio conference automatically when the room is opened. I typically deselect both or disenable both, so I have more control of when I want to start my audio. Once you have all your settings set, you can hit done, at which point you can actually start your audio conference settings. And eventually you will get an audio bridge connected line indicating that your bridge has been established.
Thank you for spending time with our team at Involved Media. You can find more information on our company and service offerings at involvedmedia.com or by emailing us at sales@involvedmedia.com.